This video is going to show you how to create and name a Google site. So you go to sites.google.com, then you come over here to the red plus sign and create new site. Your first page will come up and you just click on there, and let's say it's for social studies. You can choose how it looks, heading, subheading, normal, or what I like, the big title. And that is the first step in creating your site. If you want to change the image, you could upload one or you can select one from the gallery. It's up to you. Click an image and select which one you'd like, and then that goes behind, and it is the background for your first page.